So you might be trying to figure out how to use the measuring app inside of our particular iPhone. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So the measuring application is a really basic one. If you go and make your way over into your iPhone, apps panel, you click on this little utilities panel, you should be able to find the measure app. It basically looks something like this. So if you go and click into it, this is what the measuring app basically looks like. And it allows you to measure a lot of different things in a few different areas. So first of all, it tells you as soon as you open it up to move your iPhone around. So go and move it around and you'll see it'll kind of get a scope of the place that you're basically in. Now in the top left, you'll have a back button. So you can tap on this back button if you want to go back. You can click on the clear button if you've already taken measurements. You can tap on clear to clear it out. Then at the bottom, you'll have this plus button. So this plus button allows you to go through and start creating measurements. So let's say I wanted to go and measure this particular thing right here, right? Well, what I can do is I can step back and I can go ahead and start actually creating a measurement. So let's say I want to go through and basically create like a measurement of this thing, right? Well, if I wanted to start off at this corner, I can start at this corner, but then I can go and click on the plus button right here to add a point. So click on the plus button, and now I can move my iPhone up this way, and then it'll start measuring it automatically for me. I can add another point. If I click on this plus button right here, I've now added another point. So you could just keep doing this no matter which way you want to go, and you could just keep going through and creating different points and creating different things, and that really is all you're going to have to do. So it's a super cool thing. It's an option that you basically have, and I do think that's another really cool thing that you can do there. So you can keep creating points, you can just keep doing whatever you're doing. It's really up to you, but that's essentially what you can do there. Now, if you want to take a picture of it, you can tap on this picture icon here to take a picture of it so you can remember it. And it basically just takes a screenshot of the whole entire page. So that is something that's actually kind of nice. Now, moving back out, if we kind of get this thing out of the way, if you go and actually want to take a look, there's a couple options at the bottom too. So you have measure right here, and then you have level. So you can actually go ahead and use this as a leveler as well. So if you set it this way, you can actually go through and kind of use this particular thing as a level. So if you want to see if something is leveled or not, you can set it up like this. You can kind of get an idea if something is leveled, if it's not leveled. And that is something that's actually really cool as well. So it really just depends on how you basically want to set that up. But that is basically an option that you basically have there as well. Now, that is basically the application. If you tap on it, obviously you can kind of get an idea. You can kind of move things around. But it's a pretty basic type of application. If you want to record your measurements, again, like I said, you can take a screenshot of it, the back button, but that's essentially all you have to know, basically how to use this app. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.